desert, running dry.
Okay, look what I've got over here. I've got the Apple Watch Series 7 in the house, which I'm super excited to be unboxing today. This is the Midnight 45mm. There's a bunch of new features this year on this year's Apple Watch, even though people keep on hating on it. I'm actually very excited about this brand new Apple Watch. As we can see, this beautiful, absolute beautiful packaging over here. To be honest, my favorite packaging Apple has ever made is the Apple Watch. This is seriously such... I want to put this in my room. Fun fact, the braided loop in yellow actually doesn't exist. So is this Apple hinting us a new braided loop in yellow? I've been asking this for Apple to do this for ages. And over here, we've got the band separate from the actual watch. Apple also sent me over a Nike version, which we're going to be checking out first. First of all, Apple Watch bands. And here's the new Nike version. I actually love this Nike branding over here. Actually, I was actually very excited to check this one out as well. And here we go, Apple Watch and Nike collaboration. And here it is. Over here we've got Apple Watch branding and Nike branding over here. This seriously looks so good. This looks incredible. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch Series 7 aluminum. We've got these pull tabs over here. You're probably noticing it right now. The Apple Watch is my favorite Apple product that Apple has ever made. So every single year, I get super excited about it, even though I can't seem to open this box. What the heck? Okay, and here we go. 3, 2, 1, and boom. We get designed by Apple in California. And over here, we've got our typical pamphlet and instruction manual. No Apple stickers inside of the Apple Watch box. And we get something new this year. As you can see right here, we finally get a USB-C to Apple Watch charger. And this is actually new because this aluminium matte finish on the Apple Watch puck is actually new as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. I love this sleeve right here. And let's go ahead and see for the first time myself the new midnight color. And here it is. Okay, yeah, this is definitely very nice. As everybody's saying, it's black, but it's got this blue tint to it. I am sorry, Apple Watch Series 6, but you have officially been replaced by the brand new Apple Watch Series 7. Let's go ahead and try it out with the Nike. Actually, no, I've got this band. I've got this braided loop that I wanted to try on to see how it looked. And yeah, this thing is sexy. Look at this combo right here. This looks amazing. I love this look right here. Love it. Here's a quick comparison for Midnight and Space Gray. As I said, Midnight is way much more dark and way more blue than Space Gray. But yeah, overall, I really like this color. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and actually start pairing the Apple Watch. As you guys can see, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch is paired. Okay, I can definitely, not yet, but I can definitely see the big screen size being a little bit different. But I gotta test it out further. Let me go ahead and set it up. I'll come right back. Okay, here we go. The Apple Watch Series 7 has officially been set up. And so far, just by looking at the home screen, I can definitely already notice the difference. Let's go ahead and open up the calculator app because that's the app that a lot of people are talking about, that, the buttons are way much larger. And yes, the buttons are way much more tappable now, which is nice. Let's check out iMessage. iMessage, there's a lot of room so far. Yes, I can clearly notice the larger screen. Something that I'm actually very curious about is the new keyboard, and here it is. This is extremely small. Let's go ahead and see if it's actually okay. This definitely, I gotta get used to it. This because this is very small, but yeah, it's definitely very usable. Let's go ahead and see if I can actually do it. Wow, this actually works extremely well. I was not expecting. I just wrote my entire name. I was not expecting this to be this quick. I'm very surprised, actually. Very surprised. We got a couple new watch faces. Let's go ahead and see if I can. Oh, there we go. Contour watch face. You've got different dial colors and different. Oh, so you've got rounded and regular and dial color. Let's go ahead and actually check it out. You can actually, with a digital crown. Wow. The screen, I gotta say, it goes way much more edge to edge. It's not a big deal like how edge to edge it actually is. But wow, the screen truly makes up the difference. And then there's this other watch face called the modular duo. Here it is right here. Let's go ahead and actually check that out. And wow, look at this watch face. This totally takes up the entire space of the actual watch. This is sick. So you can actually customize it, obviously, into rich, large complications. So I'm actually going to do the activity app right here. And then the stocks. Is there a stocks? There you go. Yes, so I can actually see my last viewed stock. And then over here, I'm going to put one small one. Chenia, for example. So I can look at this. This is an OG watch face right here. This is awesome. Glass has also been upgraded, which makes it the most durable Apple Watch yet, which is great. I mean, I'm always banging my Apple Watch, so it's great. You know, the other ones have the sapphire crystal display, which has also been improved. But this one has also been improved, which is great. So you've got that extra security that you normally would not have. Overall, the screen truly makes the difference. I don't really understand why this Apple Watch has gotten so much hate. Yes, if you have the Apple Watch Series 6, probably don't upgrade to this, but you shouldn't upgrade your Apple Watch every single year. I mean, that's just my opinion. I'm very happy about this year's Apple Watch. Wow, my review of the Apple Watch Series 7 will go live this week. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Be happy because life is good. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.